Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota 4Runner hood. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the hood partially unlatches, indicating it's ready for the next step. Now, walk to the front of your Toyota 4Runner. Gently lift the hood a few inches, just enough to create a small gap. Reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille, and feel for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally, so it requires a separate action to fully release. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll typically need to push it to the side or lift it upwards. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood with both hands. Look for the prop rod, usually located along the edge of the engine bay or attached to the underside of the hood. Securely insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to hold the hood open safely. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back into its designated clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 1 foot above the engine compartment. Do not drop it from a high distance. Finally, press down firmly on the center or sides of the hood until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it is fully latched before driving. Also, be sure to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.